Two-bedroom flat with pop, kitchen cabinet, water heater, and modern facilities. 600K per year. Call or WhatsApp Matthew Capstone NG 0806 0749 020.
This is lobby. You can put anything you want here. Now let's check this, the master's bedroom. Check it out. This is for your wardrobe. They just leave this, you can see, for your wardrobe. And then this is the toilet. Oh my god, this is nice. This is the toilet. Oh. Okay. This is the second room. See. Okay. And this is the kitchen. You can see this is the kitchen. Very nice with kitchen cabinet. Then this is the compound.